Hey guys, what's up with my channel? I'm getting better at doing my intro of like calmness. So anyways, today I created this look for you guys right here. It's gorgeous. Let me just tell you that it's gorgeous. Like this shade of my eyelid that's called Lolly has gold reflex in it and I'm all about it. Like I like this palette. Looks like so. The shade over here is called Lolly, which is on the lid. Okay, anyways, so moving forward. A couple things. This is the, I don't know where to begin. This is the last palette in the Vault collection by Jaclyn and Morphe. We got through all 4. We did it. Congratulations. Thank you. Secondly, I am embarking on a new journey, which I'm going to do a separate video about because it deserves some video. Yes. I don't really know what I can say about it because there's a lot of rules and regulations to go with it, but yes, so we'll figure it out. And lastly, before I keep rambling, let's just get into this video. So, for this video, I'll be doing the last palette in the Vault collection for the eyes. My face is already done. It's glowing, as you all can see. Yes. This is what the palette looks like. This one's called Ring the Alarm. Now this one's like your typical every kind of palette look. My drink is like sitting up here and it's in the way. So, anyways. But yeah, it's kind of like your every basic palette that I already really have. So, yeah. This is why this one's last. I only have like so many clean brushes left. I really have to do, I say laundry. I have to clean my brushes. My cats are being annoying. So, let's just zoom you guys in a little bit for the eyes. My lips, like top up is peeling. Just ignore that. It's not attractive by any means. But I'm zoom you guys in and let's get started. Okay, up close and personal. I think I'm really off center. So if I'm off center, I'm really sorry. Alright, so I'm going to take, I don't even know. I'm going to take a brush. I'm going to take a Morphe M513, looks like so. And I'm going to take the shade called Rush, which is the shade right there. I'm going to put this into my crease. If a little bit goes on my eyelid, that is okay. I did take off the excess because we're going in really, really lightly. So far, so good. And like my last video, I'm going to keep my opinions and comments to myself till the end of the video. I look super harsh, I don't know why. Alright, so next I'm going to take the shade called Alert, which is over here, and just kind of deepen up the crease. I'm being super trusting that these shadows won't fail me and leave some fallout because I didn't set my under eyes. Kind of just like taking it and like swiping it in a really small motion because I don't really want this to go too far. Alright, we're going to leave it like that for now. And I'm going to grab, I either want Lolly or On Camera on my lid, or Boom. Probably Lolly, but before I do that, I'm actually going to take Mugshot and really light-handedly try to blend this out and see if it helps. I think that's the issue. Alright, so I'm going to take a flat brush. I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to put Lolly on my lid. I'm going to go in dry first and then use some Snatch X Photo Finish Primer Water. I'm just going to gently pat. And I knew I'm going to get fallout from these, so I'm kind of prepared for it. It's fine. That is so pretty. Yes, I really like this. I'm just going to go back in with Mugshot, which is a shade right there, and just very lightly blend this out. I actually really like how this came out. I like this. So unfortunately there isn't really a brow bone shade or a highlighter shade for the inner corner in this palette. So I'm going to go in with Ring the Alarm. I'm sorry. That was Ring the Alarm. I'm going to go with Armed and Gorgeous and take that white shade, just called VIP, and just put that on my brow bone and my inner corner. Alright, so I just sprayed a little bit of the Snatch X Photo Finish Primer Water, if I can speak, because it wasn't really giving off the pigment I wanted for the inner corner, and this did it nicely with like not overdoing it. Like looking directly on, you can see it, and it's gorgeous, but it's not like overdid, you know. So I'm going to go back into the Ring the Alarm palette to do the lower lash line, and again I'm going to take Rush, which is the shade right here, with that same tiny little Morphe brush. It's the E36. And I'm going to keep this right on my lower lash line. I'm going to take Mug Shots, which is down here again. I'm just going to go over that to just blend everything out. So I'm going to zoom you guys out, apply some, I'm going to zoom you guys out and apply some mascara, figure out a lip color with my freaking peeling lips, and be back to show you guys the final look. So this is the completed look. Ah, really? Apparently it wasn't dry. That's depressing. Well done. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. It's still there, but it's fixed. I'm going to zoom you guys out and give you guys the full look. So this is it. I'm going to go do my hair because it's a hot mess. For lips, I just did some lip gloss. I used, where did it just go? Don't you hate when that happens? Oh my gosh. I used, how does one lose lip gloss? Oh, I found it. I used the Sephora, oh my god, the Sephora Oil Infusion Color and Care lip gloss in the shade Iced Coffee. It's my go-to favorites lip gloss. For mascara, I used 3 because I am extra and I wanted my eyes to look like I have false lashes on when I don't really. That's how I do it. I use 3 mascaras. So the first layer is the L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. The wand is super tiny. Like, it just gets like every little crevice. I love it. Next one I used was the, I think it's L'Oreal as well, the Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara, which I actually do like. You have to be really careful though because the wand is oddly shaped, as you can tell. And for the last mascara I used, it was the Maybelline Total Temptation in the pink, which is not waterproof. So, and that's it. So overall, out of all 4 palettes, this was my favorite by far. Oh my gosh, like, this is gorgeous. And, you know, honestly, for having some issues with the blending, it went pretty smoothly. I really think it's my brush for that one. So yes, but this is like my go-to colors. Like this is me perfectly. My eyes pop when I wear like pinkies, goldies, like things like this, like, you know what I mean. You got me. My brain's just not all there. Like deep copper tones, that's what I'm trying to say. My eyes pop. And this is really totally in my comfort zone, so I really had no issue developing a look with this. But I really want to try like the pinks down here and stuff, like this row, like this deep purple here, and these two shades. I'm a little nervous, I will not lie, because dark matte colors like to not blend for me with this collection. So we will see. But I really can't rave enough about this palette. I really do like it. Well, the colors that I tried. Let me rephrase that. And then I just wish it really did have a like highlight color in there, because I'm not someone to like go through 2 palettes to get that color, but I had to. So yes. But anyways, before I keep babbling on, if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. I do have a few other palettes coming up for you guys, and I have some exciting news that I'm probably going to do like a separate video for, because this is about this. So yes. My teeth are so not white. Ugh. Weird. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.